This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to use Grammarly for Slack. If you're looking to enhance your communication skills on Slack with clearer, more concise messages, then integrating Grammarly is a brilliant solution. Grammarly not only helps you catch those pesky typos, but also ensures your messages convey the intended tone and professionalism. Let's dive in and see how you can do this seamlessly. First, you need to install the Grammarly browser extension. This is a crucial step as it allows Grammarly to work across various platforms, including Slack. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to its web store. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or another browser, locate the search bar in the store and type in Grammarly browser extension. Once you find it, click the Add to Browser or Install button. The installation process is usually quick, but it might take a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. With the extension installed, the next step is to log into your Grammarly account. Look for the Grammarly icon, which should appear in the toolbar of your browser. It's usually represented by a small green circle with a white G inside. Click on this icon, and you'll be prompted to either sign in or create a new account if you don't already have one. Enter your credentials and log in. This step is essential because logging in ensures that Grammarly's full suite of features is available to you while you're typing your Slack messages. Once you're logged in, navigate to your browser's Slack tab. If you don't have Slack open already, go ahead and do so. Just type Slack's URL in a new tab or use a bookmark if you have one saved. When you're in Slack, click into any message field where you'd like to type a message. Here's where the magic happens. As soon as you click in the text bar, you'll notice a small green Grammarly circle appearing inside the message field. This circle is your gateway to better writing, indicating that Grammarly is active and ready to assist you. With Grammarly enabled, as you type your messages, the extension will underline any errors or suggest improvements in real time. You can hover over these underlines to see Grammarly's suggestions, which might include grammar corrections, spelling fixes, or even style and tone adjustments. It's a fantastic way to ensure that your messages are polished before hitting send. One tip to keep in mind is to check for any additional settings or preferences you might want to adjust within Grammarly. You can do this by clicking on the Grammarly icon in your toolbar and exploring the options available. Here, you can customize your experience by choosing the type of writing you do most or adjusting the level of feedback you receive. By following these steps, you're not only enhancing your Slack messaging, but also improving your overall writing skills over time. Grammarly acts like a personal writing assistant, helping you communicate with clarity and confidence. Give it a try, and you'll likely find that it becomes an indispensable part of your daily communication toolkit. That's it for this quick guide on using Grammarly for Slack. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your Slack interactions more effective and professional. Thank you for watching, and happy typing.